What you're looking at right now is not just another classic car. This is a true icon of American muscle, the 1970 Plymouth Road Runner V-Code 446 barrel. Take a moment and really look at it, because cars like this, they don't exist anymore. Back in 1970, this car was built for one purpose: speed and attitude. No extra luxury, no distractions, just raw performance. And the first thing that hits you is the presence. That black exterior gives it a dark, aggressive personality. It doesn't need bright colors to stand out. It dominates the road just by existing. Look at the front end. Simple, bold, and powerful. No unnecessary lines. Everything is clean and purposeful. Now move your eyes to the hood, the legendary air grabber. This is one of the coolest features ever put on a muscle car. Not just for show, this system actually feeds fresh air into the engine. When it opens, it's like the car is waking up, ready to attack the road. And honestly, nothing from modern cars gives you this kind of mechanical feeling. Now let's walk around the car. From every angle, the body looks muscular, wide stance, strong shoulders, and a shape that tells you this car was built to move fast in a straight line. The chrome details add just the right amount of shine. Not too much, just enough to remind you this is a classic. And then we get to one of the best parts. Open the door. That burnt orange interior. Wow. This is where the personality really comes alive. The contrast between the black exterior and this bright interior is just perfect. Take a closer look. The seats, the stitching, the materials, everything feels authentic. This is not trying to be modern. This is exactly what muscle cars felt like in 1970. Sit inside and you immediately feel connected to the car. No screens, no distractions, just you, the wheel, and the road. Look at the dashboard. Simple, clean, and functional. Every gauge is there for a reason. And the steering wheel? This is where the magic starts. You don't just hold it, you control a beast with it. This car demands respect, because this is not just about looks. This is just the beginning. Now, let's get to the real reason this car exists. Pop the hood, and there it is. The heart of the beast, the legendary 440 cubic inch V8. But this is not just any 440. This is the V-Code 6-barrel setup, 3 carburetors. That means more air, more fuel, and a lot more power. Back in 1970, this was serious performance. This wasn't just fast, this was dominant. Take a moment and really look at the engine bay. Everything is mechanical, raw, no plastic covers, no hidden parts. What you see is exactly what you get. And when this engine starts, that sound hits different. Deep, loud, aggressive. You don't just hear it, you feel it in your chest. Every rev reminds you, this car was built in a time when power came first. Now imagine pressing the gas. Instant response. No delay. No electronic filters. Just pure engine power going straight to the wheels. And that's where the Dana 60 rear end comes in. This is one of the strongest rear setups ever used in muscle cars. It's built to handle serious torque. So when you launch this car, it doesn't lose control. It grips. It goes. That's the beauty of this machine. It's not just powerful, it's built to use that power. Now listen carefully. That idle sound, that slight vibration, this is something modern cars lost. This is character. This is emotion. This is what driving used to feel like. And once you experience it, nothing else feels the same. Now comes the best part, driving it. Start the engine, let it idle for a moment, feel the vibration through the steering wheel, put it in gear, and slowly move forward. Right away, you notice something different. This car feels alive. Every movement, every sound, every vibration, it all connects you to the road. Now press the gas, and there it is. That raw acceleration. The front lifts slightly, the engine roars, and the car just pulls hard. This is not smooth electric speed. This is aggressive mechanical power. You feel every bit of it. Now take a turn. You have to control it. Respect it. This is not a small car. It's wide, heavy, and powerful. But once you understand it, it becomes one of the most rewarding driving experiences you can have. And that's the difference. Modern cars drive for you. This car, you drive it. And that connection is everything. Now imagine owning something like this. Taking it out on weekends, hearing that engine, feeling that power. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, it's history, it's passion. So tell me, would you drive it or keep it as a collector's dream? Let me know in the comments. And if you love real muscle cars like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, because this is just the beginning.